Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mario. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the bottom and let's draw a large sideways oval for the nose. Now on top, let's draw the eyes. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and bring it around. And the same on the right side. Now inside each of the eyes, let's start in the center and let's draw a curve around to the bottom. Then let's draw a long oval inside each one. And then another oval inside at the top. And color the bottom sections in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now on top, let's draw the eyebrows, starting with two curves. And another curve up on top. And color them both in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and draw the mustache. On each side of the nose, let's bring it out with a curve. Then let's bring it down and in on each side. Then let's draw two bumps on each side, meeting in the center. And that's it for the mustache. Now let's hop out and we're going to draw the shape of the face. Let's start on each side at the same level as the eyes and draw a curve down. And then let's curve it out for the cheeks. And a long curve across the bottom for the chin. Now let's hop back up and let's draw another set of curves down for the sideburns. Then let's close off the top with a long curve across. Now from each end, let's draw a small bump up. And another curve across the top for the brim of the hat. Now before we continue the hat, let's hop to the sides and draw the ears. Let's draw two large curves out and back in. And then inside, let's draw a curve down at the top. And a bump at the bottom. Now that we're done the ears, let's hop on top and let's continue the hat. Let's start on top of each ear and let's draw a curve up. And then close it off with a large curve at the top, like this. Now top and side, and at the bottom, let's draw a large oval in the center. And then inside, we're going to draw the letter M, starting with a point down, angle it down and out on each end. And let's do the same thing underneath. Let's draw a point, 2 angles, and then close off the bottom of each side. And that's it for Mario. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!